Hello, my name is David, and today we are going to make an old 80s TV out of polymer clay. Let's get started. So first, we're going to take a bunch of tinfoil and try to make as perfect a rectangle as we can for that TV shape. And this is going to take a long time. Okay, a long time later, we take some brown clay and we are going to flatten it as best as we can. After we flatten it out, we are going to put it on the tinfoil base, which is going to take quite some time. Okay, now we are going to take a toothpick and then cut it into 4 equal little parts for the legs of the TV. Now we're going to poke 4 little holes in the bottom of it. We're gonna roll out some brown clay, cut it into 4 equal parts, and we're gonna cover the toothpicks, at least the tips of the toothpicks, with the brown clay. Now we're gonna put them in the 4 little holes we made earlier. Now we're going to take 2 pieces of gray clay and flatten them into 2 little bitty pancake shapes for the channel changing knobs. We're going to take some more gray clay, roll it out, and cut it into 2 equal parts and place it on top. Now we place them next to each other on the TV. Now we take a gray worm shape. We're gonna cut 2 little pieces off and have them serve as little bitty buttons. Now we're gonna take even more gray clay and we're going to place it on our table or flat surface, and we are going to shape it into a TV screen shape. And put it on the TV. Now we're gonna take some wire and some black clay, cut the wire into 2 equal length pieces, and now we're gonna take some black clay, roll it out, and then we are going to wrap it on top of the wire. And we're gonna do that twice. Now we're gonna bend the wire just to make it look more realistic for both of them. Now we're gonna take more black clay, we're gonna roll it out into a oval, flatten the bottom, and place it on top of the TV, and then poke 2 holes in it to stick the wire in. Now we're gonna roll 2 little black balls of the equal size. I'm cutting a shape in half, and now I am going to place them on top of the black wire for little bitty attention to detail thingies. Now we're going to put the little wire pieces on top of the TV, and once that is done, you have your own little 80s TV.